Welcome to GEOBOK's Generative Engine Optimization video course. Make AI speak for you GEO in practice. This course has 24 full lessons, covering the shift from being seen by search engines to being cited by AI. This introductory lesson is about 6 minutes. It will help you understand what this course covers, whether it's right for you, and how to get the most out of it. Then we start with Lesson 1. Why learn GEO now? Because how users get information has changed. Pew Research tracked close to 70,000 Google searches. When an AI summary appeared, only 8% of users clicked a link. Without the AI summary, 15% clicked. Nearly half. Gone. 26% of users just left after reading the AI summary. SimilarWeb's data shows Google's zero-click rate rose from 56% to 69% in just 12 months. Meanwhile, ChatGPT announced 900 million weekly active users in early 2026. The direction is clear. Search hasn't stopped working, but the competitive chain has changed. Before, you competed for display slots on search engine results. Now, you also compete for answer slots, getting adopted, mentioned, or cited in AI answers. Being clicked and being cited by AI are two different success criteria. Content optimization needs to address both. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. Put simply, SEO gets your content onto the search engine's candidate list. GEO gets your content onto AI's adoption list. SEO competes for display position. GEO competes for answer position. 3 boundaries to set early so you don't go down the wrong path. First, GEO is not SEO with a new coat of paint. The technical foundation is largely shared: crawlability, structured data, page speed. But at the content and distribution layer, the evaluation rules diverge. Your SEO experience is directly applicable, but it needs recalibrating to GEO's rules. Second, GEO is not a trick for fooling AI. AI's adoption process is more like a multi-layer filter. Is the source credible? Do the facts check out? Is the expression clear enough? Credibility matters, but it's not the whole picture. Third, GEO is not a one-time project. AI is evolving. Rules are iterating. Today's best practice expires tomorrow. This course gives you judgment capability, not an expiring checklist. Who should take this course? 3 types of learners benefit most. First, content teams and SEO practitioners. You're already doing search optimization, but you're starting to feel the traffic logic shift. Second, founders and business owners. You need to understand how AI is changing information distribution and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Third, marketing and brand leads. You need a complete methodology to decide where to invest, which outdated practices to drop, and what metrics to track. 2 types of people may not find this the right fit. Those seeking results in 3 days, GEO has no fast track, and those with zero digital marketing background. This course assumes you're familiar with basic SEO concepts. If you fall into the first 3 categories, keep watching. The course has 6 modules and 24 lessons. The path goes like this: from how AI reads your content, to how you should revise your content, to how you know the revisions are working. The first 3 modules build understanding. Module 1, rewiring the mindset. Module 2, under the hood. Module 3, technical foundation. This stretch answers the question, can AI see you at all? The middle 2 modules are the operational core. Module 4, answer block engineering. Module 5, content competitiveness. This stretch answers, once AI sees you, will it cite you? The last module, Module 6, distribution and monitoring, handles scale and sustainability. One strong recommendation: if your SEO background is solid, Module 4 is where you start doing hands-on work. But I strongly suggest completing Module 2 and Module 3 first. Understanding the mechanism means you can make accurate judgments during execution, rather than mechanically copying a checklist. Every lesson follows a 5-part structure: concept, case study, how-to, self-check, and assignment. Concept explains the GEO problem this lesson solves. Case study uses real before and after examples. How-to gives you steps you can execute right away. Self-check is a short list to run before publishing, and the assignment, 3 things you can do immediately, each with a clear deliverable. The assignment is the most important part. I strongly recommend completing it before starting the next lesson. Watching without doing is the biggest trap of video courses. Only when you do the work does it become real capability. What will you walk away with? 3 concrete capabilities. First, understand AI's citation rules. Know how AI processes your content. Understand why some content gets cited and some gets skipped. This corresponds to modules 1 and 2. Second, fix your own content. You'll have a complete operational checklist: technical self-check, answer blocks, the 3 content pillars, every step immediately actionable. This corresponds to modules 3, 4, and 5. Third, monitor with a data-driven loop. Build a standard question bank and baseline test. Use data to judge whether revisions are working and what to change next. This corresponds to Module 6. You won't become an AI expert, but you'll understand the rules of content competition in the AI era and know how to execute step by step. 4 study recommendations. First, follow the sequence. Don't skip Module 2 and Module 3 to jump straight to the operational lessons. If you skip the mechanisms and only watch the operations, you'll execute mechanically, and the moment you encounter a new situation, you won't know how to judge. Second, apply what you learn to your own website. After each lesson, immediately run the self-check on your own site. Learning by doing is far more effective than passive watching. Third, complete each lesson's assignment. This is the one I want to emphasize most. Skipping assignments means forgetting what you learned. Fourth, companion resources are at geobok.com/n. The full ebook, Make AI Speak for You, the GEO Definitive Guide, a 40-strategy checklist you can use directly, and a companion toolbox. Details that don't fit in a video are in the book. Tools that are hard to demo on screen are on the site. That's the course introduction. Next up, Lesson 1. The zero-click era is here. Click-through rates dropped to 8%. 26% of users just left. Where did the traffic go? 24 lessons. From being seen to being cited. Let's begin.